Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is another great idea from my good friend Jim Benedict and the gang at GLS Precision Marketing in Brooklyn Park, Minnesota. This piece is part of a series actually that they produced for client GPA. And this was designed actually to get clients excited to come visit their booth at an upcoming trade show. So this was sent out as a mailer. These were sent in clear envelopes, this particular series, but this piece could self-mail if it's tabbed correctly. So first things first, they did kind of some cool digital print with this. It's on a black sheet. They printed HP Indigo glow-in-the-dark electro ink on this. So if you look at it under a black light, it glows. Just super cool. So they say, you know, want to get glowing brand reviews, and when you open it up, there's a little kind of a little half circle die cut that's inviting you. It says pull this tab to see how your brand can shine. So you pull that tab up, it's perfed, and you peel it up, and in here they've tipped in a real physical sample of, in this case, FOW silver metallic film. So it's a specialty substrate, and it's attached with a kind of a easy release fugitive glue, just one dot, so it kind of put it there in place and register, and when you pull it up you see information about that substrate and it invites you to go see it at the show. So this was actually part of a series. They did one with a gold substrate, they did one with other types of substrates. There's kind of a whole series of 4 or 5 of them. But what I love is how clever this format is. Think of this like a trifold with a glued panel. So he actually did give me extras, but I tried to pull them apart and like just completely destroyed it. It was glued really well. So think of this as a trifold where this panel folds in, glues around the perimeter, and then there's a perf here and a little half moon die cut right here that just makes it easy to grab this edge and pull it up. What I do love is that they attached a physical sample. That's really neat. Now this format, with or without a sample, is cool. But I love that they put a physical sample in there, something to find, something to peel off, little kind of engagement mechanism. So anyway, but just clean and simple from a format perspective, great as a self-mailer. I love the simplicity. These are die score, machine fold and glue. So just very, very cool. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. A glued trifold with perfed reveal panel. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds if I use them. I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.